Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I am going to show you how we are going to make crochet short buttons, crochet button charm. I will show you how we are going to use it. First of all, we are making flowers like this. One moment. First of all, I am doing like this. Later on, yes. We can ornament our shirts like this. It will be very nice ornament. Yes, dear friends, it is like this. We can also do the same thing for the sleeves. Yes, dear friends, it's been like this. This is another sleeve. Yes, you can wear like this. Yes, dear friends, it is like this. I really love this. The pattern is very easy, dear friends. I will show you step by step how you are going to make these crochet flower short buttons. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily do it if you follow my video tutorial till the end. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on crocheting. For this project, I'm using cotton yarn. This is 60% cotton and 40% acrylic yarn. You can crochet any yarn you like. We need a scissors to cut the yarn, and according to the thickness of my yarn, I am using 3 mm hook. That's all what we need for this project. For each flower, you need very short of yarn. For this reason, if you have mini scrap yarn, this project will be very nice for you. Okay, we are starting. I'm taking my yarn in my hand. First of all, I'm making a slip knot. Like this. Upon this slip knot, I'm making 6 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. One moment. Once again, I will do chain 6. Yes. And I'm inserting my hook through the chain 1, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. Now we have a circle. I'm inserting my hook through this circle. Meanwhile, I'm keeping this yarn end on the chains like this. I will secure it, and at the same time I will hide it. Yarn over, pull through. I'm making one single stitch. Now we can do the first petal for the flower. Now I'm making 2 chains. Chain 1, chain 2. 2 times yarn over. I'm inserting my hook through the circle. Now I am making a triple crochet. 2 by 2 I will make pull through in 3 times. Look, like this. This is one moment. This is first time pull through, second time pull through, third time pull through. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the circle, and I will make 2 by 2 pull through, and it's becoming a triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the circle, 2 by 2, I will make pull through. First of all, I made 2 chains. Later on, I made 3 triple crochet. It's been like this. Now I am making 2 chains and inserting my hook through this circle, and I am making a single stitch. I am pulling it to the right side in order to get a gap for the other petals. First petal finished. Now we are going on for the second petal. First of all, I'm making 2 chains, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through this circle, and I am making a triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same space, making a triple crochet like this, making the third triple crochet, okay, and 2 chains, 1, 2, inserting my hook through this circle, yarn over, pull through, single stitch. Okay, second petal finished like this. After finishing each petals, we are pulling the hole to the right side in order to get a gap for the others. Now we are making petal 3 for this reason. First of all, we are making with 2 chains, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook through the same space, 1 triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting our hook to the same circle. This is second triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. This is the third triple crochet, like this. Okay, I'm making 2 chains. I am pulling it to the right side, inserting my hook through the circle, and I am making a single stitch. Petal 3 finished. Again, pulling to the right side, 2 chains for the petal 4, 1, 2, 2 times yarn over. I am keeping this in the back side, inserting my hook through the circle again, and I am making totally 3 triple crochet. This is triple crochet 1, this is triple crochet 2, and this is triple crochet 3. Yes, dears. After making 3 triple crochet, now I am making 2 chains, inserting my hook through the circle, making a single stitch. Okay, I am pulling it to the right side. This is the space for the last petal. There will be totally 5 petals, dear friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are making petal 5. First of all, as we always do, we are making 2 chains, and then we are making 2 yarn over, inserting our hook. We are making triple crochet 1, triple crochet 2, and triple crochet 3. Okay, like this. Now I'm making 2 chains, 1, 2. When finishing, we are not making single stitch because when starting we already made 1 single stitch. For this reason, I'm not making a single stitch, otherwise 2 single stitch will be side by side. For this reason, this is here. This is the first single stitch we made when starting. I'm inserting my hook through this single stitch. One moment, it's a bit tight. Here, this one. Yarn over, pull through, slip stitch. This will be better. Okay. Now I'm making 1 chain and I'm cutting the yarn. Yes, dears. It is finished. We are shaping it with our hands like this in order to get a neatly flower shape with a hole in the middle in order to insert the button through this middle. Now I will hide this yarn end. For hiding the yarn end, I am using small size hook I'm inserting my hook through here, through the back side. Okay, I will pull through the yarn end through the stitches of the back side. Okay. Yes, I'm shaping again with my hands, fingers. Okay. It is finished like this. For example, I am taking this out. I am using this one. If you want, you can use one color for each flower. If you like, you can make like me, each button in different colors. That's completely depends on you. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you like this project. Hope you love these very cute crochet button charms. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.